Well, hello there, chemistry students. This video is going to show you how to access your textbook. So I'm hoping to make this easier for you as the year goes by, but right now it's a complicated process. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are on Clever and find the blue link that says Sava's Easy Bridge. I would even put that as a favorite by putting a heart on it because you are going to use it a lot. So that way it shows up at the top along with the things you use a lot. Once you actually click on that, it will open a page which will ask you to sign in. Now, sometimes it will ask you first to confirm your Gmail account, your district Gmail account. But once you get to this screen, that it actually says sign in successful, you are ready to go to the next step. If you get to a previous screen that asks you to log in, um, without asking to confirm a district email or something, instead of actually trying to use a username and password, go to where it says pick your district and type in that box Weld and Greeley, and you should be able to find our district and get to this screen that you see over here. Once you've activated the login, now you can actually try to get to it. To do so, you just have to click on the Google clog somewhere. So you have to open a Google app like Google Calendar or even Google.com and click on these little cog wheel here for Google, which has 9 little dots stacked on top of each other for the Google apps. Scroll down there until you see the Easy Bridge symbol. Click on it. Now again, it might ask you to confirm your district email account. And after it does, it should land you on a page that looks similar to this one. To access your materials, you have to click on this Experience Chemistry portal there. And then if it's the first time you're doing it, it might ask you to choose a language and go through a few prompts, then just follow instructions on that. But if it's not the first time you're doing it, you should land in a screen that looks like this. If I ever assign you something, it will show up on this screen. Now, it looks a little bit different for me because I'm a teacher, so I can see both my classes and all the students in it. But for you guys, it would be just one thing with the assignments you have. To actually access the textbook materials themselves, you have to click here on the right side where it says Exploring Chemistry. So you click on that. Then from here, you can navigate to any section of the textbook or look for specific resources like presentations, activities, videos, anything that is available to you. For example, if we're working on a storyline, which is projects we're going to engage with throughout the year, you can click on that and complete the activities. But if they were assigned by me, they will also show up on that first screen that I showed you before. Um, and if you're trying to get to the textbook, for example, let's say we're learning about atomic structure, you click on that and then go into the actual parts of the textbook. You can look at videos, you can look at demos, you can look at a lot of different things within the textbook portal. This is mostly a resource for our class. A lot of the stuff is already going to be on Schoology, but it's a resource you have in case you ever need more support. And we are going to complete some of the activities here as well. All right. So hopefully you found that helpful. See you on the flip side.